we are going to create C part. That's what the client requested for. So to do your C part, this, and then you go like this. Now you can see the part. I will apply my wax stick, my heat protectors, then our hot comb. Please, your heat protectors is available. Hot comb is available. Come and get your own, okay? You need your heat protectors and your hot comb when it comes to styling of wig. You see the way the comb dey hot? Spirit holding spray is also available. I will spray. This hot comb is the best thing that has ever happened to me. Please, 6 is still available. Come and get your hot comb. See the way they flatten this hair. The hot comb gang finish. See the way they flatten the hair. Just they play. Not come buy your hot comb. They carry yama hair, they go. Spray, come and grab yours. I'll use this band to hold the edges. And I will apply my serum oil, just 1 drop. Then rub all over the hair. I will spray my heat protectants. It's available. Come and buy your own. I will just spray my spirits to make the hair smooth. Like this. Smooth first. So you put at the center. Take it up. Then you roll down and go up again. Yeah?
Put it to the oven.
Okay, go and put it. Or put it on the floor. Yeah, I will do it. Roll it again.
The floor.
Okay, put it on the floor. This is your clamp. You have to always move this clamp, okay? So you roll upward. So wait a little bit. You can see the coil. Have to pin. Yeah, almost done. So I'll begin to spray my holding spray. Every day rolling. Check out the rolling. Came out so well. Check it out. So I have to support it with this pin until my client is going to pick it up, so that the coils can remain intact. Okay, not just go like that, because we did a lot of work here. So you can see the rolling. Can you see the coils are cozy? And that is on period. Send in your hair. I'm available. I will style it for you, and I will send it to your comfort zone. All your hair products you need to maintain your hair is also available. If you don't have money to pay me to style it for you, come and buy product cheaper. They run belle. So this is it. I hope you learn something on how to roll your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone. And you can know if you know, you don't know. Now your cup of tea. So this is it. I'm loving the look. I love the hair. You can see, so beautiful. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.